Hey everybody, I'm David Hall, roaster and trainer from Maui Oma. Today I'm going to teach you how we brew coffee using a French press. First, grab your French press and your favorite bag of Maui Oma coffee. Add 2 tablespoons of coarsely ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water. The size of the ground should look more or less like sea salt, and the water should be fresh and clean. Today we're using 8 tablespoons of French roasted Colombia and 24 ounces of water. Next, pour your freshly boiled water into the brew chamber and start your timer. The temperature of the water should be at or around 200 degrees Fahrenheit and be poured evenly over the whole bed of coffee. Once you finish pouring, place the lid back on the French press. When the timer reaches the 4-minute mark, push the plunger down slowly. Pour the coffee into your favorite mug. We recommend decanting the remaining coffee into a separate server, like another clean French press, for the best taste. Finally, sit back, relax, and enjoy your newly crafted skill of making French pressed coffee at home.